So after cleaning it, now if you can see that it's already clean, I've cleaned this right. Now I'm going to put it back again, and I'm going to check the carbon as well. Well, it looks okay to me, but still then we'll just have to check the carbon, whether the carbon is okay or not. So this looks okay to me, but and the coil looks alright. So I just have to find out what is the problem here. So everything looks intake and like it looks good. So once I clean, after this, so I'm going to use this Castrol 15W40. So I'll be using this. This is the oil that I'm going to use. And then that is, I will fit this and we'll see. So let's try to lubricate with this one a little bit here. Let's open up this one. Wow, it's hard to open. Well, just for the time being, I'll just keep my camera here. Just keep it some time for here. Let's open this one. Okay. So as you can see, this is original Castrol. It's written here Castrol. So this is original. So let's smash this one. We'll put it here, and then let's try to deep this a little bit. Let's clean my hand and then let's see the difference, the oil, this one and this one. So let's dip it a little bit. Look at the oil, it's crystal clear. So let's dip a little bit of oil here. Let's try to put this back on the track. So the oil, let's put it here, and then this one also, let's put it back. Let's try to dip the oil a little bit just to lubricate this. Well, it looks good. So this is perfect. So let's lubricate this a little bit as well. There's no need to do that, but still then it's all the same whether I do it, because I'm going to put the oil here. So but anyway, let's lubricate a little bit. Okay, this is done. So it goes here, then this is the cover. So let's put the oil a little bit here also. Actually it doesn't require, but still then let's put the oil. So this is how it looks like. Let's pour the oil, fresh oil. Too much oil is also not good, so this is done. It looks great. So now I'll have to pick up this one and I'll have to put it back. So let's put it back, this one. So with one hand is difficult, so let me assemble this one and after that I'll show you.